Finding motivation to go to the gym can be challenging at times, but there are strategies that can make it easier. Here are 5 steps to help you. 1. Set clear goals. Having a specific goal can make it easier to motivate yourself. This could be losing a certain amount of weight, being able to lift a certain amount, or running a certain distance. Make sure your goals are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. 2. Create a routine. Consistency is key when it comes to fitness. Choose a time of day that works best for you, and try to go to the gym at that time consistently. The more you make it a routine, the easier it will be to stick to it. 3. Find a workout buddy. Having someone to go to the gym with can make it more enjoyable and motivating. You can support each other, and it can add a level of accountability. You're less likely to skip the gym if you know someone is waiting for you there. 4. Choose activities you enjoy. If you dread the thought of running on a treadmill, find an exercise you actually enjoy. This could be lifting weights, taking a dance class, or doing yoga. The more you enjoy the activity, the more likely you are to stick with it. 5. Celebrate your progress. Keep track of your workouts and any progress you make towards your goals. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. This could be lifting a heavier weight, running a bit further, or simply feeling more energetic. Seeing your progress can be a powerful motivator. Remember, it's okay to have off days. Don't be too hard on yourself if you miss a workout. The most important thing is to get back to it the next day. Regular physical activity is about overall health and well-being, not just hitting specific fitness goals. Stay positive and keep at it.